Hi, this is Deborah Winsong with Expert Village. In this clip I'll talk about making necklaces with cord. And there are several different kinds of cord. You can get real leather or you can get something that simulates leather. This here is plastic. And while I like to usually use all natural materials, I'm finding that this is working a lot better to use the plastic, especially if you want to do some kind of an opening like on this necklace where you slide to adjust and get it over your head and then slide back again. The leather wears out after a while. Plastic is holding up real well. So this cord is my favorite right now. When it comes to cord work, the cord is usually thick as far as beads go, so you'll have to have very large beads or else just hang a piece down from the cord. What I did do on this piece is braided the cord just to make it look a little different and then wrapped it around this piece of rose quartz. This one is a very thin cord. What I chose to do with that is treat it like the wire that I use for the other necklaces and use a crimp. And I use some knotting techniques too to hold the beads in place. Here we have a clasp. I actually made and I just took copper wire and shaped a hook clasp. I used a piece like this that's made for leather and cord. And what you do is use your flat nose pliers and squeeze it right on there. So I'll show you how that works. You want to line your leather cord up so that it's not interfering with the opening. What you need to do is squeeze 1/2 at a time around the cord, just a little bit, not all the way, and then try to bring the other side around the outside of that half. At that point you'll put a ring on there on one side and then your trigger clasp on the other side. So here's one already done. And you just thread your open ring, your open jump ring onto there and then onto your hook clasp.